Hello again. This video will be about installing and setting up Unreal Vault Organizer. It's the only difficult part again, as mentioned in the intro video, is the sniffer part. So first of all, go to the link will be in the web description, the GitHub site. Go to your releases and just download the exe, or if you want the zipped version of it, you can grab that as well. So let's just download that. And it's not signed, so it's going to ask you. Some systems it may ask you to. Are you sure you want to keep it? It's not a virus, obviously. Um, okay. All right. So that's pretty much it. It's installed. You have nothing in it. You can say, please verify your settings tab because there's nothing on your settings tab, so it can't do anything. So let's go ahead and set that up. Um, the account number and the launcher token are something that the sniffer is going to grab for you. But in order to do all that, we need to set it up. So we need the launcher path, and that's going to be uh, wherever you've installed your launcher. Mhm. So go to launcher and portal, binaries 164, and this is what you want to grab. So grab that path and just, again, this is just a one-time setup thing. And then the exe, the launcher exe name, and just control C it. That. And then the sniffer path. When we install Fiddler, at least for me on Windows 11, it installs it so that the system knows where it's at, so I don't have to actually put the whole path to the executable. I can just put in this. I'm not sure whether it works on uh, earlier versions of Windows that way or not. I didn't have to. Otherwise, you just have to put in the full path or put in it in your environmental variable. But I mean, either way, it's pretty simple. And now grab your Vault cache path and go back to the launcher. Wherever you put your Vault cache, usually it's in underneath your launcher, but you can actually put it anywhere you want when you install it, the launcher itself. You can change the cache location. So let's just put that there. Okay. Now, I can go ahead and save settings. Now we need to go ahead and install Fiddler, and that I have it downloaded already, but let me just show you where you get it from. Fiddler Telerik, and I'll have the link in the site. Fiddler Classic is the free one. You don't want to use the other one. It's a paid expensive one. Ooh, did I just go offline? Fiddler Classic. Oh boy, I think I just lost internet connection. Hang on, let me pause it here for a second. Okay, internet connection's back up. Let's do that again. So we're going to go to Fiddler, Telart's site, and download Fiddler Classic. Right here where it says Telart.com, Fiddler Classic, and I'll put the link in the description. And it is free, so I know it says try free, but it's actually free. It says it's right here that it community trusted free Windows only tool that logs in. So the Classic is free forever. It's not a big deal. And also this is just kind of a stopgap measure until I can try to figure out how to authenticate just via your regular username and password. So go ahead and follow the instructions and download it. I've got it downloaded. I'm going to install it. Um, just go through it, the installation. There's a couple things you need to do to get that set up correctly. So Um, all right, let's close that. Now we should have Fiddler. Okay. I don't know what that warning was. All right, so now that you have it open, you have to do a couple things. First, let's go to Tools and Options, and you need to enable HTTPS decryption. Click on that. Um, if you haven't, if if you haven't already installed this once, then the first time it'll ask you to allow uh, a self-signed certificate so that it can get to the traffic. It'll just pop up, and you want to go ahead and hit OK, and that's fine. Then you want to go to scripting, and you want to change it from JScript.net to C Sharp. Okay, and hit OK, and OK. And then the next thing you want to do, this last thing, is on the page for Unreal Vault Organizer, there is a folder called Fiddler, and there's a little file in here. Just click on that, um, go to the raw view, select everything, and copy it. Control C, Control A, Control C, and then go in here and go to Rules, Customize Rules, and then you can just select all Controls A and then Control V to paste, and that'll paste the rules necessary for this to work. You can close it down. You want to save changes. What? Wait, what? Oh, I think that's because I didn't initially restart it. Disable the warning. Double check the rules. Yeah, it worked fine. It just I should have restarted it before I pasted the new ones in here. I believe it worked fine anyway. Okay, so now that's it. That's all you need to do for Fiddler. Okay, so once you have that installed, you can go back to your app and hit Get Token. It should find Fiddler, launch it. It should open up your launcher if it's already opened up. You may have to close it and open back up again, but sometimes it works. Let's see. So choose Get Token. Okay, it's going to launch Fiddler. It's going to launch the Unreal launcher. Okay, and it's looking for a particular thing called Friends. It didn't find it because I guess the launcher's already open. So sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So close the launcher down, open it back up, and then it should have. Ooh, didn't find it. Hmm. Okay, maybe it didn't save it. Let's try pasting that again and saving it again. Okay, using system. That should all be good. Uh, rules, custom rules. Should be fine. Save. Close it down. Um, Open it back up. Yeah, again, sorry for this, guys. It's such a pain because Make sure I got the right rules in there, and it did save it. So let's see. Yeah, it did. It's in there right now. So let's try that again. Let's close this down. Just exit out of it for now and try launching that again. Let's see. Okay, this time it got it. Um, it closed. Once it finds it, it actually closes the Fiddler program down automatically, and you can see that it filled it up in there. So, so when pasting that code in there, paste it after you've changed the settings with the SSL and changed it to C sharp in the options for the Fiddler options. Save it, restart it, then paste the then paste that code in there. Okay, so now that that's done, um, now all you have to do is then click download your Vault, and it'll start downloading. And then there you go. And I don't know, it's still showing that I guess I have that update available for OpenLN. Let me see, and I don't know why. Again, this was a hard one to figure out, and obviously it's still got bugs in it. So it's still there. Um, so I'll have to work on that. Not sure why it's still showing that. I don't think it's still showing in the launcher. Let's just take a quick look here. Um, so that's basically it. I mean, that's the setup. Again, that one-time setup of the Fiddler thing is a pain. Hopefully we'll get around that. And there's still some bugs. So anyway, hopefully this will get you through it. Let me know if you have any questions. Please submit any feedback, features, or bug requests um, to the GitHub repo, and hopefully you guys will enjoy this. Thank you. Bye.